Determination of carbon and hydrogen by combustion tube experiment. Already we studied the detection of carbon and hydrogen by qualitative analysis. We have to determine the amount of carbon and hydrogen present in an organic compound. There are various methods given for carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur present in an organic compound. Before just know that determination of carbon, hydrogen, we should aware of there is no direct method to find out, determine the amount of oxygen present in a compound that is calculated by method of difference. Estimation of carbon, hydrogen. The carbon, hydrogen present in organic compound determined by oxidation by converting them to carbon into carbon dioxide, hydrogen into water molecule. So the carbon determine the amount of carbon estimated as carbon dioxide, the amount of hydrogen estimated as water molecule. For that, the combustion tube experiment is given. The experimental part consists of three parts, that is combustion tube, the inner oxygen supply, the combustion tube, and the last compartment is the absorption tube. So the combustion tube consists of, here the first one is, the first part is the passage of oxygen, the first part the passage of oxygen for the burning process. The combustion tube consists of, on both sides it is covered with the copper gas and porous copper also present. In the combustion tube center part, a porcelain plate is there where their organic compound to be estimated to be burnt is present. And here the third part of the setup is the U-tube bulb consists of, the first one is consists of pumic saturated with sulfuric acid to absorb the water. Hydrogen comes out as water. And the second bulb consists of, U-tube consists of, it is packed with the potassium hydroxide to absorb the carbon dioxide, where the carbon comes out as a carbon dioxide. The last part is the anhydrous calcium chloride packed with the calcium chloride to prevent the moisture from the outside, to absorb the moisture from the outside. So what is the experimental setup? What is the experimental part is, first we have to heat that combustion tube to the boiling temperature, and after that we have to heat the organic compound. Here it is given, the combustion tube is heated strongly to dry its content, then it is cooled slightly, connected to the absorption apparatus. The other end of the combustion tube is open for a while, the boat containing weighed organic substance is introduced. The tube is again heated strongly till the substance in the boat is burnt away completely. It will take 2 hours. Finally, strong current of oxygen is passed to sweep away the trace of carbon monoxide or moisture present in the compartment. After that, from the end of the experiment, the U-tube and the potash bulbs are detached and the increase in weight of each them is determined. That is the experimental part. Here the weight of the organic substance taken initially is W gram, and here the change in the weight of the water molecule, that is hydrogen estimated as a water molecule, is taken as a X gram, and the increase in weight of carbon dioxide is Y gram. Now the estimation of determination, the formula to calculate hydrogen. The first one is how to calculate the weight of hydrogen present in an organic compound. So here the 1 mole 18 gram of water molecule contains 2 gram of hydrogen. So the initial organic compound weight is W gram of. The W gram of organic compound contains X gram of water. If it means what on comparison, if it means what will be the percentage of hydrogen present in an organic compound. 1 mole 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen. We have taken W gram of organic compound. In that the weight of water calculated is X gram. So multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage of hydrogen. Similarly, we have estimated carbon as a carbon dioxide. So on comparing, 44 gram of carbon dioxide contain 12 gram of carbon. 44 gram of carbon dioxide contain 12 gram of carbon. We have taken W gram of organic compound, that is precipitated as Y gram of carbon dioxide from that. So on comparing, multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage of carbon present in an organic compound. So this is the method of estimating carbon and hydrogen present in an organic compound. Carbon oxidized to carbon dioxide and hydrogen oxidized to water molecule by combustion tube experiment by means of combustion tube experiment, the change in the weight of the first and the water molecule bulb and the potassium hydroxide packed with the bulb packed with potassium hydroxide, the change in the weight of the container is taken as the weight of water molecule and carbon dioxide. So that is used to estimate the weight of carbon and hydrogen present in an organic compound. There is some points of note given in this experiment, combustion tube experiment, estimation of carbon hydrogen. That points are: if an organic compound contains nitrogen along with the carbon hydrogen, to eliminate the nitrogen during the process, a spiral of copper is introduced in the combustion tube, thereby it is removed as oxides of nitrogen. And if there is any halogen present in organic compound that interfere with the experiment, we have to introduce the spiral of silver, thereby it is removed as a silver halide. And if there is any sulfur is present in the the copper oxide in the combustion tube is replaced by lead chromate, thereby the sulfur dioxide present in the organic compound will convert the as a lead sulfate, thereby the interference prevented from the passing into the absorption unit. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you.